We are going to start with the practice session, and let me tell you what is practice session basically. Just after covering 2 or 3 concepts in 2 or 3 classes, we try to have a practice session. Practice session means basically we try to brush up the concepts, and we try to take more sophisticated questions, more technical questions. Okay. So today we are going to learn about we are going to revise about the past assessments, and it's a practice session. And soon after this, we have a small test of it. Fine. That test you can take it at any point of time, but basically those tests is going to help you a lot. So that's why we have kept the name as booster test. Booster test. So that is going to boost you up, boost your confidence, boost your the self confidence. Okay, I am someone who can easily going to break the shackles of past resistance or something like that. Don't worry about this. Okay, hi Shivangi, hi Aishwarya. Fine. So let's start with the class today. Shall we? Okay. So guys, in this class we are going. Hi Aishwarya. In this class we are basically going to just have a brush up of past assessments, and I can guarantee you these are the questions that is going to boost your confidence about past assessment, and it will be very helpful for you. Just stay with me for next 1 hour, and the past assessment will be your slave. So this is my guarantee, So we have learned guarantee of profit, and this is something that I'm saying guarantee of confidence. That was a joke, guys. Yeah, that's what. Hi Nazin, are you there? So I suppose Nazin was just there. Anyway guys, let's start with the class today. So here comes the first question. Let me see how many of you were attentive in the last class, in the past assessment, So testing session, guys. Okay, let's read the question first. So what it's saying, it says that A and B are partners, and the profit for the year was 25,000, and that was distributed among the partners in the ratio 2:3 after considering, look, the stress, after considering the following adjustments. Now these are the adjustments. Interest on capital, interest on drawing, interest on loan, and salary. Okay, fine. Now, however, basically what I'm doing now, I'm just trying to go through the question, and once the question is done, we will be in a position to understand what is to be done. So the last part of this question is, however, the partnership deed was silent. Now here comes the problem. Since the partnership deed was silent, however, the accountant was so stupid that he has provided all such adjustments without even seeing whether the partnership deed was silent or not. Don't worry, we are here and we are going to solve the problem for the accountant. Now, also there was no provision regarding the profit sharing ratio. So what exactly we mean by this? Guys, there was no provision regarding profit sharing ratio. What we can say for this? Equal, that's great, equal. That means both the partners will get equal share. And what you can say, the partnership deed was silent. So since the deed was silent, recall the provisions. What was the first one? Come on. Shivangi, I can see you typing. Come on, come up with the right answer. Sanjana, Aishwarya, do write this. Exactly, no interest on capital and no interest on drawing. What about salary? Shall we provide for that? No. Yes, no salary. What about interest on loan? Come on, that's a tricky one. 6%, great, bingo, very good. All answers from Shivangi. Please guys, do participate. This is a very good session and we are going, let's make it more interactive. I need more energy level from you guys. Come on. Fine. So, all the answers from Shivangi exactly right. No interest on capital, no interest on drawing, no interest on loan at a 6% and no salary. Why? Just because of 2 words. You know why? Because the partnership deed was silent. So, now let's read this question once again. So, we need not to provide all these things. However, the accountant has provided. So, let's first see what might have been done here. What we could do here to rectify the error. But for that, let's first evaluate the error. So the very first thing is that interest on capital. Let's make a table here. Fine. Let it be A and let it be B. So what the accountant has done? Accountant has simply has provided for interest on capital, and it is 1500 and 2000. As you can see here, what we are doing this the wrong thing. It's a wrong deed what the accountant has done, and we are just trying to following it. We are just trying to tracing the case by following what accountant has done. So the first one is interest on capital, and the second one is interest on loan. Fine. Now interest on loan is basically 10%. That too on 35,000. So that is how much? How much, guys? 10%, 35%. Yes, exactly, 3,500. So we write it here. The next part, what is that? Salary. So salary to A. How much it is for annually? 1,500. Okay, great. Sanjana, sorry. It is 18,000. Now let's tackle this interest on drawing. Since why we have, why I have preferred the second adjustment to the fourth one, the reason is simple. Look, all these will appear on the debit side of P&L account. So what are these? These are something that what I can say, capital the partner is getting, salary the partner is getting. Again, the loan will be received by the partner. Now the interest on drawing, that is IOD. Let me write in short, and that is 2,000 and 1,500. Fine. And these are the negative amounts, since these are what the partner is going to pay back to the firm. Now also see that the profit was for 25,000 and this was distributed among the partners in the ratio 2:3. So who can calculate the amount of profit for A? Come on, guys. Nazneen, Sanjana, 10K. Okay. For A? Yes, exactly. It is 10K. And here it is how much? 15,000. So now if we add all these things, what is the addition of these? How much? What is the addition? If you sum up all these things, how much you are going to get? It is 1,500, 18,000, that is 16,000, 17,500, 27,500 if I'm not wrong. Guys, do cross check. If I'm wrong, do let me know. So this is 27,500. Great. So now I have got the right answer, since Sanjana has also confirmed that. No? Okay. Then let's calculate this side. It is 5,500 minus 1,500. That is how much? 4,000 and 15,000. That is 19,000. So you see, this is what A has received wrongly, and this is what B has received wrongly. So is this point clear till now? Any problem? Okay. Any problem? Aisha, Shivangi, Sanjana? Any problem? No? Fine. Now let's proceed to the solution. So as you can see, I have done this for you. This is what we have done wrong. So this is the wrong calculation what the accountant has done, and this is the amount that we have received. We have calculated it earlier only in the last slide. No? Now what is the actual thing? This is what actual thing. This is, in order to rectify this, let's do what we should actually do it. Now for this, what we are going to do, the interest on loan should be how much? We know that that's 6%, and it is 10% here, and we know that partnership deed was silent. So as Shivangi has mentioned it, that we have to go by the 6%. So I'm going with her, and she's right. So 6% of 35,000 is 2,100, and I have simply put it here. Clear? Thereafter, this amount I have received from here. Look, if you add these two terms, 27,500 and 19,000, this gives me 46,500. And why? What is this? This is the wrong amount of profit that has been distributed among the partner. Fine. Now this is the wrong amount of profit. If we deduct 2100 from here, since what we are doing the actual thing. So the amount we are left with is 4400 in this way. Now this 44,400, since the partnership deed was silent and also there was no provision regarding the profit sharing ratio, so we are going to share this among both the partners in the equal ratio. So is this clear? Okay, fine. Aisha, let me answer your question. This is the profit. This is the profit and loss appropriation account. This is chapter 1. Fine. Is that clear? Okay. So getting back to this question. So is that clear till now? We are doing the past adjustments, and see, you can see here that we have to pass the necessary adjustment entry. This is what we have. The accountant has wrongly done it, and this is what we are doing, the actual part. Fine. Is it clear? Okay, Aisha, it will be very, I want you to not to send me private message. If possible, please reply all. In the chat box, just in the chat box, adjacent to the two sides, you put it all. Fine? Aisha, is that okay? Okay, that's great. Fine. What basically we are doing, sorry for interrupting here. Guys, Aisha is a new member. Let's all meet her. Hi Aisha, I'm Amit Chatterjee. I'm Dr. Amit Chatterjee. I'm going to take you throughout the accountancy and of class 12. And basically, what we have started with is a partnership account. We have started with a partnership account, and this is suppose the 11th class. So we have still done a lot, and it will be very fantastic if you can just go and brush up the recordings and go through the recordings. It will be very fantastic. And we are not following any book. The curriculum is basically the NCERT. The curriculum is as per the CBSE board, and we are just going through the concepts. Fine? Okay, fine. So let's get back to the question. Sorry for interrupting you, all of you guys. I'm really very sorry. Let's start with this again. So where were we? Yes, we were here. So what we are doing is like this was the wrong amount of profit, and this is what? This is the interest on loan. So if we have deducted this, then we get 44,400 as the profit. Fine. And we know that since the partnership deed was silent about this and there was no provision about profit sharing ratio, so we are going to simply divide this amount equally among both the partners or between both the partners. Clear? No? Yes? I'm not getting any responses, guys. Is that fine? Are you guys with me? Any doubt? Nazir, any doubt? Shall I proceed further? Okay, fine. So now you see, let me change the color of the pen so that it becomes more clear to you. Which one should I go for? Okay, let me go for the black one. No, black is already here. So, will it be fine if I choose the green color? No? Okay, let me see the green one. So, this is the amount, the actual amount, and this is the actual amount for B. However, we have wrongly given this amount, that is, you can see the pointer here, the wrong amount to A and this amount wrongly to B. Now, see what I am doing. Here, as you can see, this is the actual thing that we should have done it, but wrongly we have done this. So, as you can see that we have already given A more. I mean, what I can say, we have already given more amount to A. Yes, we have given A too much, and we have to take it back. Very good, Nazrin. I do appreciate you, for that. And in case for B, we have given him less, so we need to give him more. Is this point clear? Are we all on the same page? Fine. Don't worry, I do appreciate you, Nazrin, for that. You really helped me out because I was not getting that word. We gave too much. Thank you for that. So now what you can see, since this is debit side, we have already given him too much, or going by Nazrin what she has said. Now we have to take it back, and simply taking it back, we put it here, and to give B, we put it here. That is two sides. So is this point clear? Look guys, this is sure shot that such question is going to come in the board exam for 3 to 4 marks. So don't lose the marks. This is a pretty solid mark that you are going to get. Fine.